It's Sunday and I'm going to drink coffee first before going to church, and after I attend the mass I will go with my friends because today is my friend's birthday. He's going to celebrate with us.
I want to go.
Oh, it's not for babies.
I'm not a baby.
It's for young adult.
Ako young.
You're just young ka pa lang. You're not young adult. I'm young adult. It's for young adult only. No children allowed. Okay, let's drink the coffee first. And mag-green na talaga ako later. Promise. Green na ako, guys. Ay, so galing na ako center. Tapos after ko pumunta sa center, ayun, naligo na ako pag-uwi. Then, pinapabalik lang ako bukas para sa reseta ng ika. Tapos, ayun. Tapos, pinapabalik lang ako kasi bukas pa yung doktor, and sabi ng nurse, sabihin na lang yung mga napansin niya sa akin. Ayan, nahalata pa. Tapos, ayun, pag-uwi ko, naligo lang ako. Tapos, ang sakit ng ulo ko. Ayun, kasi kahapon, yung umalis ako, diba? Kahapon, birthday ng kaibigan ko, kumain lang kami sa cafe after ko magsimba. Tapos nakita ako ng isang circle ko. Kaya hindi ako nakauwi. Ayun, sinama ako. And ayun, mga 11, lampas na ako nakauwi. Tapos, nag-inom kami. Ayun, ito na yung resulta. Naligo ko para maplaskuhan na ganun. Pero masakit pa rin ang ulo ko. Tapos ayun, wala pa rin ako matatandaan para sa exam ko sa CTT. May sukat na nakakainis kasi may sukat kasi feeling ko may sukat na yung lalamunan ko. Tapos, ayun na. Baka ako nakaka-review sa CTT. Diyos ko, ilan pa lang yung alam ko. Tapos, itong laptop ko, naglalag pa. Ang tagal niya mag-respond. Pero, nasa 500 gig pa yung storage. Alam ko may kinalaw ako dito kasi nanood ako sa TikTok yun. Last year pa. May kinalaw ako. Hindi ko na alam kung paano siya ibalik. I'm sleepy. Hi guys, I'm sleepy na. It's currently 10:03 PM. Gigising na lang ako ng 3 AM para mag-aral. Tapos na, ito na yung reseta. May libreng gamot. Pero yung isa lang nasa reseta. So itatanong ko pa sa pharmacy yung iba. kung magkano. I just woke up from an or nap, 1 hour nap, and I have a package. I got a package. Let's unbox it. Ours by Elf Silver and Heartless from Elf Silver. Yes, I'm going to complete the series. Kaya, wait lang. Next is the Liberties. Pinaka-hinihintay ko talaga. Pinaka-kung mabili aside sa ikikaki Namdo. Bigay tayo. Bibili na lang ako ng gamot. I'm buying the gamot na. Buto may ipon ako. Kasi kung wala, hindi yan mabibili. Oh my God. Bibili ako ng lugaw after. Okay na. Nakakain na ako. Nakainom na ako ng dalawang gamot. Ano, isang gamot at isang vitamin C.
Making me hate you, probably think it's painful, but really I'm grateful. I think I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say I love you, then you go act a fool. That's how the story goes, just wanna let you know. No need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one to what you look for. It's not overdue. Deja vu. I thought I was psycho for you. Play tricks with my mind like voodoo.
Hi, it's 11:07. Hindi ako makastart mag-video kasi nag-upload pa. And para bumango-bango naman yung kwarto ko. Kasi ang baho, nangangamoy yung pop dyan sa labas. Kasi maraming po sa kabilang bahay. And then, nagplan para yung smell of this. And yes, tatapusin ko lahat. I'm currently at 5 out of 14. Before June 7, ano na siya, 14 out of 14. Wala na akong choice. Masyado na akong nagpakasarap. Oras na para tapusin ko lahat. Nakain na ako. So I can take my medicine na. Brown out kasi ulan. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. As you can hear the raindrops. Lakas ng ulan. I just woke up again. Guys, palagi na akong kumika. Sorry na. So, magpahinga.
Might be a danger to you, but that ain't old news. Delusional clues. That's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know. No need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one to let you go. What you look for, it's not overdue. Follow to deja vu.
Grabe guys, alam niyo natulog na ako 2:30 ganun. Tapos yung 9:40 AM na.
Me to the core, what you look for, it's not overdue. You told me to come Deja vu.